Well, as Mumbaikars are getting angrier at the state of civic amenities, and particularly the potholes on the streets of India's financial capital, the BMC has come under fire for inaction. And as questions are being raised about where the money that was allotted to fix these potholes went, a special meet was held yesterday on this very issue. However, it didn't look at what they were going to do to fix it. Instead, it turned into a political blame game.
Mumbai's killer potholes, 3 lives lost this monsoon. Rupees 50 crores spent only on pothole repairs this season. But this is what Mumbaikars are forced to maneuver every day. A special emergency meeting of the BMC Standing Committee to discuss the problem of potholes on Mumbai's roads, but instead of coming up with solutions, what started was a blame game. Meanwhile, these potholes continue to torment Mumbaikars. Rupees 3,800 crore has been spent on road maintenance in the last 5 years. Rupees 1,000 crore has been allocated just this year. But every day, 200 new potholes are reported to the BMC. Trying to find reasons for the pothole mess, the BMC came up with some bizarre explanations, like blaming the former Additional Commissioner Aseem Gupta.
Last year, जब भी potholes के problem create हुए थे, तभी एक action plan corporation के माध्यम से तैयार किया गया था, लेकिन वो उसका implementation नहीं हुआ। 4-5 महीने के बाद उस जो contractor है, उनको work order issue करने के बाद भी काम नहीं हुआ। इसके लिए आज officially standing committee में उनका नाम लिया गया और उनके ऊपर ही उनको ही दोषी इस मामले में हम लोग रख रहे हैं।
The opposition was quick to attack the Sena BJP regime, and soon what was supposed to be a meeting to find solutions turned into a political slugfest.
जब सदन में थे तभी उनकी हिम्मत नहीं चली उनके सामने बोलने। आज जाने के बाद में जो भी मुंबई शहर में गलत होता है तो उनके जिम्मेदारी एक थे। अपनी जो निष्क्रियता रहती है, असफलता रहती है, वो असफलता कहीं तो भी दबाने का प्रयत्न शासक पक्ष शिवसेना बीजेपी वाले यहाँ पे करते हैं। कभी वो कोल्ड मिक्स लेके आते, कभी हॉट मिक्स लेके आते, कभी पैच मेकर लेके आते, कभी व्हाइट टॉपिंग लेके आते, कभी कार्बन कोर लेके आते। लेकिन मुंबई शहर के जो गड्ढे की समस्या है उनसे सुझली नहीं है।
मैं आयुक्त महोदय से कहा है कि जैसे बारिश रुकता है, 48 आवर्स में सारे जगह पर खड्डे जो है उसको मरम्मत करने का काम, रास्ते को लेवल करने का काम आप शुरू कीजिए।
A promise that has been broken every time it's been made, while Mumbai's thousands of potholes continue to stare the city's residents in their face. In Mumbai with camera person Sudesh Taute, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.